All right, well, let me do my cutting first. We're not gluing yet, so we can kind of wait and figure it out. And the pile of crap begins. Always save these little ends. You know, the paper comes... I sell a lot of paper, and you don't know how badly I want to cut off this little piece so it will fit in a 12 by 12. But I know if they're scrappers, they want, you know, because we could definitely use that, you know. So, okay. All right, so let me get... I like this with the green, so I want that to be closer to the center. And that center is going to be... It's actually going to be 5.75 by 5.75, so 5 3/4. Now those are going to look really nice as pockets, I think. But if I do lace, let me see. Either black or brown. Actually, that might look really cool. To do actual lace. I think that's what I'm going to do. Now, let me look at this, because am I going to need... No, it's actually laying nicely. So I think we're going to be good. This is my center one. I was like way off on that fold, on that piece. You know that? Just look at, here's my fold. Like a whole... Let's see. I feel like I need to cut this bigger. I mean, these are good. Those are good. But this definitely needs to be a little bit bigger, I think. Or, actually, I don't think I need to be bigger. I think I'm going to take I'm going to use my distress marker and go around the edges here. I'm going to use the fan favorite, me being the fan, chalk ink. This is Prima chalk ink. So I'm going to... So I think I'm going to stop and think about it, because what I'm feeling that I want to do here is get these closer, even though I know I've got to be really careful with not getting too close to the fold. But even, you know, this is just too much. I have distressed it. I made the mistake of using the black. Before I do that, I will do my pockets on these guys. So I'm going to move this out of the way, because I'm going to do some painting. It'll look way different tomorrow. So let's get these pockets done, and then I'm going to call it a day. All right, so I'm going to clamp these, but in theory, we should be able to do something like this, where we've got 2 pockets, and then these will each fold in. Oh, let me do it the long way. In theory, I will be able to have 2, of course they'll be facing this way for your view, and a pocket that folds down and a pocket that folds up. I'm going to let these dry. I'm going to give some thought on exactly how I want to work that centerpiece. You know, if I want to, I think I'm going to paint behind it. I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. So, I think that would look really cool. Maybe even try to find like a really, really deep chestnut, because this seems to be like a brown, although black would probably look fine with it as well. So, yeah, so, all right. And I'm going to put this. That is actually like a dark brown, by the way, because I have black here, and you can see I actually picked up a dark brown without even realizing it. That's why it looks so good there. So when I put these pieces on, I will make sure that I get the lace on the flap. So, all right, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate y'all popping in and watching.